Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar no power, not turning on, reset and power supply tips. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. You just have to unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, disconnect the power cord from the back of the soundbar. Then you have to press and hold the physical power button on the soundbar for 30 seconds. Leave the soundbar completely unplugged for 2 minutes. Then plug the power cord back into the soundbar first, then directly into a wall outlet. Fix 2. Verify the wall outlet. Unplug the soundbar from the outlet and plug the knowing working device like lamp or phone charger into the same outlet. Check if the lamp or charger works to confirm the outlet has electricity. Reset the home circuit breaker or GFCI outlet if the lamp does not turn on. Fix 3. Secure and inspect the cables. Remove the surge protector or a power strip. Plug the device directly into the wall. Inspect the power cable for visual cut, fries or a sharp bend. Firmly push the figure 8 connector into a back of the soundbar until it clicks or set fuse. Swap the cable with a indicator C7 power cord to test for a dead wire. Fix 4. Test the physical button. Discard the remote control to eliminate the possibility of dead batteries. Use the physical power button on the top or the side or the back of the soundbar. Observe the LED light on the front or left side or for a flashing, blinking or illumination. Thanks for watching.